Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to use WeTransfer to send files. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in WeTransfer.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of WeTransfer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this section. From here, you'll be able to send the files. What you have to do is simply add the file that you want to send, or you can also add the folder. So simply click on the option of your choice. Once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to select the file. So simply select the file that you want to send. Click on the option open. You can add more files if you want. Simply click on the option add more and you'll be able to add more files. Now after doing that, what you have to do is simply enter the email address to whom you want to send this file. Click on this filled email too. Now enter the email address over here. After you enter it, press enter. Now you can see over here this email address will be selected. You can enter other 9 email addresses as well. The maximum limit is 10. So you can simply add the email address up to 10. Now scroll down. Now you can also edit the title if you want. Simply click on the field of title. You can see over here the title will be written by default according to the file that you select. You can edit it if you want. After that you can also enter the message. Click on the field of message. Now simply enter the message over here. Now you can also select the expiration time. For that, what you have to do is simply click on this field expires in. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. 1 day and 3 days are free. For the rest of other time, you'll have to upgrade. So simply click on the option of your choice. Now over here, you'll also be able to find 3 dots. If you click on it, you'll be able to find other options over here. You'll be able to find the option to either send the email or create link. So simply click on the option of your choice. You can also select the verification. Simply click on the field of verification. Now you'll be able to find 2 options: track downloads, anonymous downloads. The option for anonymous downloads is free, but the option for track downloads is pro. So for that, you'll have to upgrade to the premium. If you select the option for anonymous downloads, you'll get notified when your files are downloaded for the first time. Now you can also select the appearance. Simply click on the field of appearance. For that, you'll have to upgrade to the pro. You can also request the payment if you want. Click on the field of request payment. Now you can see over here, you can connect to the Stripe and request for the payment. Likewise, you can also set the password. Click on the field of password. Now you'll be able to set the password. Enter the password over here. Now after you do that, what you can do is simply click on the transfer option that you can see on the screen. Now this file will be sent to this particular email address. So like this, you'll be able to send the files. So that is how you use WeTransfer to send files. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.